Number 10, Sutherland Falls. In a country that holds a special place in our hearts, this gorgeous 580 meters waterfall was easily New Zealand's most spectacular waterfall. And given its remote location deep in the wild and beautiful Fiordland National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Area, we definitely had to earn our visit. As one of many highlights of the Milford Track, proclaimed as one of the finest walks in the world, it sat in one of New Zealand's most scenic spots. Number 9, Pitwise Waterfalls. When it came to the overall waterfalling experience, it was hard to beat this world-famous attraction. While the rest of the waterfalls on our top 10 list are primarily singular waterfall attractions, this one consisted of a network of countless waterfalls. Some of the individual waterfalls impressed us enough to stand out on their own. The waterfalls themselves segregated the many clear and colorful lakes that brought life to this lush and protected ecosystem. Number 8, Dettifoss. This was one of Europe's most powerful waterfalls, sending glacial melt waters over its 44 meters precipice unchecked at a flow of around 500 cubic meters per second. We literally felt the ground tremble beneath our feet as we stood and watched such awesome power from up close. It epitomized the wild and raw landscape that characterized Iceland. Indeed, nature lovers from both near and far loved this waterfall. So we easily included this juggernaut on our top 10 best waterfalls list. Number 7, Gullfoss. One of the more unique waterfalls we had ever seen in the world, this wild and wide waterfall tumbled on the Witta River in two tiers at 90-degree angles to each other. Part of the Golden Circle of Iceland's main attractions in the southwest, it pretty much sat on everyone's travel itineraries. Number 6, Yosemite Falls. Even though this waterfall doesn't flow year-round, it does flow for a good part of the year. Plus, it dropped a whopping 2,425 feet, making it one of the tallest in the world. As the crown jewel of attractions in the incomparable Yosemite Valley, we managed to see this waterfall from a multitude of viewpoints and trails. So given its ease of access, scenery, location, and sheer size, we had no doubt about including this waterfall in our top 10 best waterfalls list. Number 5, Kayata Falls. Kayata Falls, said to be one of the tallest single-drop waterfalls in the world, This rectangular-shaped monster, said to be 741 feet tall and 370 feet wide, sat atop the ancient Guyana Shield amidst some of the most pristine rainforest left on Earth. Indeed, a visit to this world wonder could yield rare wildlife settings. It also reassured us that places like this where nature can thrive still exist. And after experiencing this place for ourselves, we had to make room for this waterfall on our top 10 list. Number 4, Angel Falls. This waterfall has been widely acknowledged as the tallest permanent waterfall in the world. Plunging uninterrupted for 807 meters with total drop of 979 meters from a mystical tabletop mountain, Tepuy, deep in a Venezuelan equatorial rainforest, its existence defies logic as its source is. Number 3, Niagara Falls. Easily the most famous waterfall in North America, this powerful waterfall also ranks as the biggest one by volume with a whopping average of about 7,000 cubic meters per second. In addition to its raw power, we had no problems visiting the falls given its easy access. We also had no trouble viewing it from all sorts of angles while its surroundings were a bit less naturist for our liking. We couldn't deny that it clearly belonged among the upper tier of our list of top 10 waterfalls. Number 2, Victoria Falls. Easily deserving of the top spot on this list, though it finished a very close second, it's the largest singular waterfall in the world, spanning a width of 1.7 kilometers, a height of 108 meters, and an average flow of 1 million liters per second. It's no wonder this Smoke That Thunders is considered one of the 7 natural wonders of the world and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Number 1, Iguazu Falls. With its brink spanning a distance of an incredible 2 kilometers in its average flow of 1,000 cubic meters per second, this falls tops our list of the 10 best waterfalls in the world. The falls actually consist of some 275 individual waterfalls and cascades. And the rainforest surroundings made the scenery feel right for a natural attraction such as this. Put it all together and we believe this falls is heads and shoulders above the rest, except Victoria Falls that we've seen.
Receives about half of the river's flow at once, is called the Garganta del Diablo, or Devil's Throat. Dare a journey beneath the falls on a speedboat safari. You're guaranteed to get wet. If you'd rather stay dry, take a helicopter ride over the U-shaped series of falls to see how it forms a dramatic chasm in the Earth's surface. Just away from the